Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Framed.io for review notes step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Framed.io website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After filling in your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the project you wish to review notes for. Inside the project, locate the Comments section or the area where notes and feedback are displayed. Click on the relevant file or video to view the associated notes. To authenticate your identity for note-taking, verify any prompts that may appear for two-factor authentication. If prompted, enter the code sent to your registered email or phone number. After authentication, return to the Comments section to add your review notes. Click on the Add Comment or Reply button to leave your feedback. Type your notes in the text box provided. Once you finish, hit the Post or Submit button to save your comments. Repeat these steps as necessary for other files or notes within the project. When done, log out of your account by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Log Out. Close your browser window to complete the session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.